folks, William C. Rogers back at you with another video, and today we're going to talk about affiliate marketing. I know I keep harping on affiliate marketing, but let's go ahead and really get into this. It's important because people just aren't getting it. So look, there were companies, big companies, small companies, from Walmart to Best Buy, Amazon, the list goes on and on and on. And these companies have something that is called an affiliate marketing program. All that means is they will give you a special website link. A special website link that you can use and then go promote. And that website link page has their products on it. And when you advertise this special website link, if anyone purchases from that page, you'll get a commission. Now, different companies pay out different commission points. Different ones pay out differently. Some 2%, some 7%, some 20%, some 50%, some 75%. And there are even some digital products that will even pay you 100% commissions. Some will pay out 30 days, some 45 days, some 2 weeks, some will pay out daily. Just depends on how that particular company set up their affiliate marketing program for you. Also, one thing to take note of about affiliate marketing. Most affiliate marketing programs are free to join. Most of them are free. There are some, however, that fall under the pay-to-play category. You know, you have to pay in order to play, right? That's some of them set up. Again, it's dependent upon that company, that vendor, how they set up their affiliate program. That's not really under yours nor my control. What's under our control is the affiliate marketing programs we choose to affiliate with. Now again, when you sign up for these affiliate marketing programs, they're going to give you a link. Sometimes that link can be a pretty long link. So I would recommend you go to a domain register, like say go to GoDaddy.com and buy you a domain name like, I don't know, workwithwill.com. I know I used that example several times already before, but it's a good example. So if you do something like workwithwill.com and you're promoting this certain affiliate offer, well, all you have to do is go inside GoDaddy and do what's called a redirect. So whenever somebody comes to workwithwill.com, they'll actually reach your affiliate marketing page link. That's where they'll actually reach. That's just a little tip for all you guys out there in affiliate marketing. Now, I want to say this. Affiliate marketing is a great way to start your online money-making efforts. It is, because for the simple fact, most of them are free to join. You don't have to worry about product fulfillment. You don't have to worry about customer service. Remember, they're going, the link that you're using, that you're promoting, is bringing people to the vendor's site. It just has your special code encoded. That's why they gave you a unique link, so only you could get credited with the sales, right? So that's something you got to think about. This all comes in the package of affiliate marketing. You're not spending a lot of money up front, if any at all. Maybe to buy that domain name that I mentioned, but heck, you can get around that too. You don't have to do that. That's just a tip that you can use, you know, for better promotions. But what if you're doing social media, or if you already have a list, or period, or if you already have a blog or some other website on your own, you can just put that link in there anywhere. It could be on a button or something, or behind an image. People click the image and it goes straight to your affiliate link. You know, there's different ways you can do this. And of course, when I say this, promoting your affiliate marketing page link, well, that tells you what your job is as an affiliate marketer. You have to get people to the link. That's your only job. That's your most important job. Now, we could go into other things, like you can maybe offer them some bonus things, like, hey, if you join me, I'm also including this and this, which you can't get from anywhere else. Not even the vendors will provide this for you. But if you buy through my link, I'll provide X, Y, and Z for you as well. So you can do things of that nature, but you're still going to have to get people to the initial door, so to speak. You got to get them to the door. So there's things like pay-per-click marketing. There's things like solo ads. There's things like buying social media influencer shout outs, which by the way works pretty damn good. That's PPV traffic, just straight up buying ads on other major websites that deal with the same industry that your offer is in. Let me repeat that. Buying ads on a website, a major website that's in the same industry as your affiliate offer is in. Did you get that? I hope you did. These are just different ways that you can use to bring people to your affiliate marketing page link. All right, I just wanted to give a quick overcast of affiliate marketing and along with a couple of tips. I hope you got something out of it. If you have, please by all means like, comment, subscribe, and share. By all means, share. Leave a comment. Ask questions. Show this to some other folks. See what they have to think. Let them come in and ask some questions or whatever. You know, I'm open here for you. Let's do this. Peace and light. Everything's going to be all right.